Remakeup da achiwi khamta ya pauping. Ukrul District Hospital staff khabat na mupung maphala leiching dalai. Manipur Ism legalize kasa maram yang Sangkhami committee we report achi gachang mi sangra chihaira. Like Heangotor, achi the Tangkhul Express we pau, MAYORI KEISHING in a pa midalay pau ping may sa ay nanganang rumsa. Ukrul District Hospital staff mopay putla layda arishang od kasa mapung maparar tura. Betchaka kaka Ukrul District Hospital staff nurses tarada akhamang layda lay. Khangcha sanction sa kahay atishu the staff nurses tumrada gutum layran kikachina. Nursing sisters phanga layran akhamang laydlay. Nursing superintendent boss la hangdalay. Ukrul District Hospital pharmacist mati layran akhamang laydlay. Arishang chili radiographer la malaymana the zinkum thara kaira. Arihon X-ray department na radiographer shichinda khalay CMO poolwe ay nakharana. Ukrul District Hospital radiographers khani darkar sada leichia. Arishang chili UDC office assistant kuthum layran da malaymana. Official clerical odd pingchi office assistant akhana sangchi da lay kala chi district surveillance unit we azingli kushinaka we wang ran kukhina. ENT specialist, dermatologist, skin specialist, psychiatrist, radiologist, transfusion medicine higata specialist doctors akala Ukrul District Hospital Malaytura. Surgeon aina anesthetist la malaymana. Medical officers post tharada mati layran shinimang laydale. Cook kutum layran akha laydale da otpam taraka machipui la layda khlaina. Ultrasound machine layla install masarang X-ray machine singhawai technician na malaymana the district way akhamang gachi arishang mapung kapha wadla khaira. Manipur State Sarkar na zam legalize samira da taga haile yari long now na tarakana makamya phongshok rumaira. Kala liquor legalization maramchi yang sangmi khawai state na expert committee semaira da CM na hanga. Biren na kahang expert committee na thaiga khui report achiwe kachang pai misangra da laidalai. Assembly station gazibli Chief Minister N Biren na kahang Aruri State li lui wasang da khalai ngalai hectares 2,28,520 kada laydale. 2017 we aina achkum tharau January rashungda 2014 Paddy Land and Wetland Act chon khamakan we cases 3,017 kada chanaira. State we war on drugs how kupok we aina achi rashungda Manipur li popi lui wasanga sangalay 18,500.6 acre kada sashiman mihaira da CM Biren Nahanga. Langpai khwai apong katay hilagra kachi plan malay lula sarkar na popi khaling naw pingde nguchon mi kapay nguchon mi rada house le hangsanga. Fisheries Minister H. Dinko Singh na kahang fish pond scheme the Pradhan Mantri Matsya Sambada Yojana PMMSY we azingli leida khalai china SC ST la shina fish farmers pingle 60% subsidy kala general category pingle 40% subsidy mida leichia. Rural Development and Panchayati Raj Y. Khemchan Singh na kahang MG NRAGS Zimiksho Shakawi Ungsang Gapai Leida Khalai 2020 to 21 Kumwi 1301.86 crore 2021 to 22 we 1398.07 crore Kala 2022 to 23 we 1498.47 crore Leida Leichia. Gazip Chile House Kathana Biren na paper kutum table saira. Paper akana medium term fiscal policy statement, fiscal policy strategy statement and macroeconomic framework statement and disclosure. Kakhaniali 4th Manipur State Finance Commission 2021 to 26 Volume 1 Aina 2 we report kala 4th Manipur State Finance Commission recommendation kami report kami we action quick high explanatory memorandum hipping table saya. LPG aman kaka maramni yukrul aina kamjong LPG Association na tharkami shogaira LPG refill kasa aman lupa hangphanga matai kaka chi Indian sarkar na chize khami athishu da kaka na LPG agency na kaka maning mana da association china aya ya really tharkami shoka Kaladan project kupkasang atam ngusonra ka haiji Myanmar wewang ainana the Union Minister RK Ranjan Singh na hangdale External Affairs RK Ranjan Singh na kahang Kaladan Multi-Modal Transit Transport Project KMMTTPG Myanmar li political angret maphakukhui wewang aina atam sangmei kahaina Center na bilateral cross-border project chi kasakasada khuida leikala Bangladesh ana angsun waterways project la Act East policy wi azingli leidale Union Minister RK Ranjan na kahang Kaladan project chi Northeastern Pam aina Indo-Pacific ngalei ngurik Vice Center na sem khami kasana kalachi Mizoram sarkar na mathalak aina kotomi da sadalei chia Kaladan project chi tapta sadla sarkar na apong katei muchukta Bangladesh shong washungki gichi teru shongfu aina zat khawai waterways sem khawai ningchuk leidale Union Minister RK Ranjan Singh na acha hon thang G20 business gazip aizoli wazang da kahang Northeastern Pamli youth machine chunglak da leikala atum skilling themkhui pai lak la clients bingli English aina mutui thailak da khalaihi business community na singkhui phalungra da Minister Ranjan na kasatsanga Northeastern states with rail connectivity mathamai khwaisa da Indian Railway na semda khalaiji ribam to Imphal new line railway project kupsangki kichi haira chi dalai track chi kukup aina Manipur we capital Imphal aina India we states katai rail aina ngri pai hauki kichina Arirui Ziribam aina Imphal matakli kasem track katharchi final stage li satalei da hanga Kilometer shaka track kasang Ziribam to Imphal new line railway project chiwi tunnels hangphanga da khani ka da khaleina chiwi ngachali tunnel number 3 da khani na sangmai kap kachi ngasaya Financial Zingkum 2023 to 24 li Ministry of Railways na India wi remotest apam pingli la connectivity khuiwami khawai khamtaya sada rindalei da hanga Financial Kumrak Rali Ministry china kilometer 7000 ka da track sambara da kharin sadale Manipur wi Autonomous District Council Urban Local Bodies kala panchayat election achiwe March April li moron saura chihaira Chief Minister N. Biren na State Assembly gazibli kahang delimitation process kupsang laga legal complicacy malaya khay ADC ULB aina panchayat election achiwi hili mogshoi saura ADC wi term kup break up hai laga chiwi thili ULB aina panchayat wila paiga haina ADC election chi COVID-19 mimau ragzang tungle HAC wi delimitation process mukup to the ngoson ra hawa kha ara election bending psycho ra sakhwai ngrandalei the chief minister na hanga Panchayati Raj Minister Yumnam Khemchan Nagahang ULB aina Panchayat election we saran formalities kupsang the State Election Commission li Chihovaira Meghalaya Chief Minister NPP National President Conrad Sangma State Sarkar Semkhawai ngaranda Governor Phagu Chauhan li sampanghaira Conrad Sangma we party NPP na kathan MLAs 32 later 60 members Meghalaya Legislative Assembly li absolute majority claims haira NPP na thanda Sarkar Semkhawai BJP zangda kateina la kagotom mihaira da NPP Chief Conrad Sangma na hanga Conrad Sangma na Chief Minister ngapam kachiho letters of resignation Governor Phagu Chauhan li mihaira gazip chile achonthang election ni kaghaya BJP kathana khani AL hack aina Sanbur Sulai Anila Sangma Conrad ling sovaya Constituencies 59 with seats 26 Kwida National People's Party NPP na single largest party sada shokaira NPP we ally sakasa United Democratic Party na constituencies trada akali yuida second largest party ngasaya Sarkar kathar semkhawai NPP le kagutom milu kachi BJP nala Meghalaya State Unit le hangaira Acha Hontang Meghalaya State Assembly election chili semda masangrang kachi Voice of the People's Party na sit mati Kala Hill State People's Democratic Party aina People's Democratic Front na khani rip sampanga election chili independent candidates khani kaka sampanga Manipur tourism sector mathaming sa Khawai state sarkar na apam hang phanga da shini machuk haira chidale Chief Minister N. Biren Singh na kahang rakhara atamle Manipur we lansinrin hagsang tourism we aina rara kala Manipur we tourism sector promote sa Khawai state sarkar na tourist apam hang phanga da shini machut haidale CM Biren na kahang northeastern states ping we tourism sector li yang akha Manipur na atoli zangdale Kala India we states Saikori we ngachai leba Manipur na position makada akali zangdale Top li Tamil Nadu zangdale CM Biren na tourism mathamai khawai da Sangai festival la apam chungmai dali rungmi phogaira kala Indian laiha li Japanese aina British li ngarar khare pam jasami li la sarkar na tourist spot semira da leida CM Biren na hanga MSPDCLW MD any ED Service Extension Manipur High Court na stay sami haira Manipur State Power Distribution Company Limited MSPDCL Managing Director MD NG Subhachandra and Executive Director Tech H Shanti Kumar we Service Atam Payhai Laga State Sarkar na Zingkum aka kasaysang mi kahaina Extension Order Acha Kachang Shokamina NG Subhachandra ay hijam Shanti Kumar we tungli corruption case la thasang haidale Case ji loka yukta Manipurli miwada ani khanina sabagya scheme we lupa shichin we kahai phenda khlaina ani khani we service extend kasachi we writ petition Justice MV Murali Daran na yangmida aya stay order shokamina Maram chiwe hearing achiwe tarik tharada gathumthang sara da HC china kakmi haira SDC Junior MCS we post Chikupuili Reservation Haikami Ayin Shuran Shurng Sakhawai All Tribal Students Union at Samna Chief Ministerly Memorandum Misang Haira. Maram hi MPSC na recommend kasa candidates pingna Kwiki kachi SDC Junior MCS post hangmiti da katumwewang kahangna. Post ping chi wewang ST we 31% general we 50% OBC we 17% kala SC we 2% high miran kachina da chi shur gazak sak khawai khayang sang milo da at samna CM ne hangaira SDC post hangmiti da gathumchi additional post sada matai sang khamina kala chi wewang at samna sarkar le ningshi phongshok ainang soda appointment khamili khongwe maleng sak khawai CM ne ngakaw haira Mirabai Chanu na Sports Star Award Samphangahai acknowledge Sada Manipur Sarkar na Psycho Mirabai Fitness Center Semira Chihaira. Maramchi 12 Manipur Legislative Assembly Station Kagutum Ma Gazip Kachikoli CM Biren na hanga. Psycho Mirabai Fitness Center Chi Nongpo Kak Chingli Semira da CM na hanga. Session Gazip Chile Education Minister TH Basanta Singh na kahang meritorious sportsperson pingli sarkar na classes 3 aina 4 post we provision midale Minister Letpau Haukip na kahang Mission for Integrated Development of Horticulture MIDH we azingli popilui mohut shin khwai thaimachi paimachi midale Forest Environment and Climate Change Minister TH Biswarjit Singh na kahang Forest Department Manipur na thingrong khaling afforestation program khwika da leikala poppy farmers pingli langphai khawai apong mi da integrated approach in a permanent terrace cultivation khwira khawai project proposal la misangaira Project Chi Horticulture and Soil Conservation Department na misangda poppy lui sada khalai 10,000 acres pamwe wang athai shirai lingsang sakhawai project chili sangdalai da house le hangsanga latluida achuwe khamta ya pauping Ukrul District Hospital staff khawat na mupung maphala leiching dalai Manipur Lism legalize kasa maram yang sang khami committee we report achu gachang mi sangra chihaira achi wi pau hi ai nang changai ra pau ngana da khlaina thum psycho really khama haya zim shong sa serunu